Hi, my dear students. I am once again welcoming you to the PRCC classes. In this class, we discussing about the most important concept here, interpersonal relationship. After we discussing the most important concept here, what we called as emotional intelligence. This is the most brilliant and the versatile and the most effective concept we are discussing here, emotional intelligence, ಭಾವನಾತ್ಮಕ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆ. The so many human beings, they all shows their emotions in the different situations, their thoughts, their feelings regarding the particular situation. Some people, they shows their egoness, they shows their angry, they shows their sad, they shows their laugh, they shows their cry, each and everything what we call as the emotions of the each and every individual person. Each and every individual person's emotions is very very essential. Without the emotions, the person called as a dead body. Without the emotion, the person called as a dead body in the life. Therefore emotions plays a very very important role in our life. So in this, we should know that what is the meaning of the emotion. What is the meaning of the emotion? Here this, the meaning of the emotion is nothing but, emotion may be defined as thoughts which have happened or might happen next. It is an inner urge. Inner urge is nothing but inner feeling to readily act as per our feelings or perceived things. This is what we call as emotions. This is what we call as emotions. See, I am once again explaining you, emotion is nothing that it is the thoughts which have happened. Thoughts is nothing but the feelings which may be occurs or not occurs. It is a inner feeling, inner state of behavior. So in our heart, in our mind, it is the inner feeling. We are ready to act as per our feelings. If our mind is gives direction to laugh, we will laugh. If our mind gives the direction to cry, we are cry. So that is what I am telling us. It is a understanding things are as per our, as per our feelings. We express our emotions. It is totally depending upon the feelings. We feel happy means we're going to give a smile. That is the emotion. So emotion is nothing but it is the direction of our mind towards what we have to act, what we have to give the response. That is what we called as emotion. Emotion is nothing but it is an inner feeling. So based on feelings, based on understanding of the concept, we give certain sum of actions. That is what we called as emotions. ಭಾವನೆಗಳು. ಇದು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಎಮೋಷನ್? ಭಾವನೆ ಎಂದರೇನು? ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ದ್ವೇಷ ಅಥವಾ ಭಯವನ್ನ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಬಲವಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದುವುದನ್ನ ಭಾವನೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನ, ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆಂತರಿಕವಾದ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಭಾವನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. After that, the next most important concept here, the term we have to be discussing here, this is the mood. So many times we are using this word. How we are using this word is nothing but we don't have the mood to do this. I don't have the mood, so I am not having the mood. So what it means, mood? A mood is nothing but it is also a emotional state of our mind. It is a long lasting emotional phenomena is nothing but it is a long existing emotional feeling in our mind. Cheerfulness is nothing but joyfulness of our mind. Sadness, there is no happy in our mind. Irritability keeps on, we are irritating. We hate some people. Irritation is nothing but we hate some people. Persist for a long time. A cheerfulness, sadness, irritability, egoism, each and everything is existing in a long time. So it may be for hours or days or some days. So this type of mental state of thoughts, mental state of opinion, so this is what we call as mood. Mood is nothing but it is a mental state of mind. So it is also called as a long existing emotional concept. Whether it is a happiness or it is a joyfulness, whether it is a sadness or egoism, or we are hating some people. So this is what we call as mood. So this is also the 2 marks question what we have to be discussing here. After that, the next most important concept here, sentiment. The next most important concept here, sentiment. What is meant by sentiment? Here, sentiment also what we called as, it is also the emotional phenomena. It is also the emotional concept. Remains longer, it is long lasting state of emotion that is related to other people. A sentiment is nothing but it is also a emotional feeling. In this emotional feeling, it exists a longest existence in our mind. So it is totally concern of other people. That is what we called as sentiment. See, these three terms is very, very essential in our life. The first term is emotion, ಭಾವನೆಗಳು. ಭಾವನೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲದೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬದುಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. And the mood, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ. And the sentiment, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಭಾವನೆಗಳ ಒಂದು ಏರುಪೇರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಳಗಾಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದಂತಹ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನ ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್? ಸರ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದಿ meaning of emotion, sentiment, mood. Then what is the importance of emotion in our life? What is the importance of emotion in our life is nothing but each and every emotion creates a great impact on our mind. Each and every emotion creates a great impact on our mind. So therefore emotions plays a very, very important role in our life. See the first one here. See the first one here. They tells us the first one, emotion assist. Emotion assist thinking. See, our happiness emotion, our sadness emotion, our irritation emotion, each and every emotion gives a guidelines about the think yourself, think yourself, think and do it. So this is the important motivation we getting from the emotion. So therefore it is very, very essential. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Emotions directs us to fix our boundaries in our life. Boundaries is nothing but the goals of our life. It is very, very essential. If someone is insulting you, if someone is blaming you, what you should do? What is your inner feeling? Your inner feeling is nothing but angriness about that person. So this is the emotion what we called as. So this emotion gives a direction to do that. You are not a person to getting a blame. So that person, Here it is also helps us to fix a goals of our life. After that, emotions serve as our inner moral and ethical compass. Is nothing but emotions is also develops the inner morality. What is the right thing? What is the wrong thing? Why? Because emotions gives the experience of life. ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಹಲವಾರು ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಅನುಭವಗಳಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ emotion gives the experience. Based on that experience, we are not doing the wrong things keeps on or once again and again. So this is the importance of the emotion. After that, the next one here, emotions. Emotion, if properly directed, if it is gives the proper guidelines by the inner mind would provide the better communication to make us feel better. So the better communication also, see what we are thinking our mind, either it may be positively or it may be negatively, whichever it will be comes through your mouth. It will be gives the direction to do that in your hand. See what I am telling here. So emotions gives the correct directions, means each and every communication of your mouth, of your pronunciation, when you are communicating with other person, it is a positive communication only. Then it will be feels you a better and joyfulness. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್. ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅವರ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್. See, each and every emotions, it gives a great impact on your mind and your heart. It accelerates you. It accelerates you to think that. So it is your need. It is your basic need. It is your comfort need. It is your luxury need. Each and everything will be suggested by emotion only. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಯಕೆಗಳು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್. Self awareness is nothing but the self assessment. So what strength we have, what weakness we have. So this analysis is placed by human being when he has faced the right emotions. That is means the happiness or sadness or failure or success, anything else. So each and everything will create the self assessment of the individual person. So after that, the next one is emotions can be the drivers of our inner moral and ethical aspect. See, emotions are called as the drivers. In a car, driver is very essential person. As well as in a life, emotions is very essential. Without emotions, we can't reach our goals. Our thoughts will be does not has the any creativity. If we has creative thinking, so the emotions is very essential. Based on the emotions, we are converting our thoughts, feelings, opinions into a good profitable opportunities. At the last importance here, emotions helps in taking the business decisions also. In stressful situation, we think right things. Some people, if they get stress, they are working very effective. Some people, if they are not getting the stress, they are working effectively. So there is a different class of people are working together. So in that situation, Our right emotions gives the good business decisions in organization also. Therefore, these all points will explain us. It is very, very essential. Without emotion, we can't achieve anything in our life. This is the importance of the emotion.